What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tayo for episode 24 of Weekly Anime News. The first full week of April 2026 has brought us massive streaming announcements, long awaited sequel confirmations, and some truly exciting franchise news. Let's dive straight into the headlines. Kicking off on April 4th, Viz Media has acquired North American and international streaming rights for the Mao TV anime. It begins streaming on Hulu in the US and Disney Plus starting today. If you are a fan of Rumiko Takahashi's latest work, you can finally watch it legally. Also on the 4th, The Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya revealed a stunning 20th anniversary visual, along with new projects and a trailer. The SOS Brigade is back, and fans are losing their minds. April 5th was packed with movie and sequel updates. Detective Conan Fallen Angel of the Highway released a new trailer ahead of its April 10th Japan premiere. Conan fans, mark your calendars. Star Detective Precure announced the 18th of September 2026 premiere for its anime movie, complete with a new trailer. Magical Girl fans rejoice. Scum of the Brave Code 2 revealed a new key visual and more cast members. Code 2 starts the 11th of April 2026. And in unique adaptation news, Let Me Fix You, a Yuri zombie manga, will receive a short TV anime adaptation in late May 2026 from Studio Buta Productions. April 6th delivered some massive announcements. First, How Not to Summon a Demon Lord. Season 3 was officially announced. Then, the news everyone has been waiting for, Steel Ball Run JoJo's Bizarre Adventure second stage confirmed a fall 2026 Netflix premiere with weekly episode releases. Get ready for the wildest horse race in anime history. To You in the Beyond anime film revealed a teaser visual and trailer for its the 9th of October 2026 Japan premiere from TMS Entertainment Studio 6. Vistoria Wand and Sword Season 2 added Mai Nakahara to the cast. Season 2 premieres the 12th of April 2026. And The Detective is Already Dead. Season 2 revealed a new key visual and trailer for its October 2026 premiere from Engi. Yes, after the delay, we finally have a date. April 7th brought more sequel and movie news. As a reincarnated aristocrat, I'll use my appraisal skill to rise in the world. Season 3 revealed a new key visual and trailer for a fall 2026 premiere from Studio Mother. Rascal Does Not Dream of a Dear Friend movie revealed a Nodoka Toyohama memorial visual. It premieres the 16th of October 2026 from Cloverworks. Get your tissues ready. And the One Piece, the Wit Studio remake, received a tiny production materials sneak peek from Netflix. Not much, but any glimpse is exciting. On April 8th, Kill Blue TV anime confirmed streaming on Netflix, Crunchyroll, Prime Video, and more. The Japan premiere is the 11th of April 2026. No excuses to miss this assassin comedy. April 9th brought more movie and visual updates. Mononoke, the movie, Chapter 3. Snake God revealed a new main visual and trailer for its the 29th of May 2026 Japan release. The psychedelic horror continues. The neat and pretty girl at my new school is a childhood friend of mine who I thought was a boy. Yes, that's the full title. Revealed a new teaser visual for a July 2026 premiere from Project Number 9. That's a mouthful, but the premise is intriguing. Finally, April 10th delivered 3 major stories. First, Wit Studio confirmed that generative AI was used for some backgrounds in The Ascendance of a Bookworm, Adopted Daughter of an Archduke opening. Following fan feedback, they will redraw and replace those sections from episode 2 onward. Transparency and accountability. Good on them. Second, Date A Live F Last Date anime was officially announced. The Date A Live franchise continues with another installment. And third, Crunchyroll announced that The Weeknd will present the Anime of the Year award at the 10th Crunchyroll Anime Awards in Tokyo on the 23rd of May 2026. That's a huge crossover moment for anime and mainstream music. And that, Guild members, was an absolutely packed week of news. From Haruhi's 20th anniversary and Steel Ball Run's Netflix date to Date A Life's return and the weekend at the Anime Awards, there's so much to be excited about. What's your top takeaway? Are you hyped for Steel Ball Run, emotional about Haruhi, or curious about the Bookworm AI controversy? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Tayo signing off.